Do you want to improve your memory and use your brain more efficiently? It has never been easier to increase the brain power we need at every moment of our lives. How can we make our brains stronger just by what we eat? Here in this video, we will talk about the nutrients that will perfectly support your brain health. The fast pace of modern life has caused brain health to become more important than ever. The stress of work life, the increase in our exposure to electronic devices, and the daily hustle and bustle also bring mental fatigue and concentration problems. The vitamins, minerals, and other vital nutrients that our brain needs that are good for the brain have a great impact on our mental performance. For this reason, in this video, we will discuss the nutrients that are good for our brain. With these foods, you can prevent many brain injuries, especially Alzheimer's, early. Do not neglect to like our video, comment, and subscribe to my channel for the continuation of the videos. Enjoy the show. 9 miraculous nutrients that increase brain power. Our brain is the most complex organ in our body and manages all vital functions. It performs many functions such as thinking, remembering, learning, controlling emotions. Therefore, a healthy brain not only contributes to cognitive performance, but also positively affects our mood and social relationships. Here are the nutrients that are good for the brain. Omega-3 source fish, an excellent nutrient that strengthens brain cells. Nuts such as walnuts and almonds. Add strength to your brain with healthy fats and antioxidants. Fruits and vegetables. Protect your mental health with natural antioxidants. Dark chocolate, a pleasant snack, a healthy choice for your brain. Avocados, healthy fats and vitamins that support brain health. Eggs and dairy products, excellent foods that will strengthen your memory. Whole grains, helps you to focus mentally by providing energy. Caffeinated drinks and green tea, natural sources for attention and alertness. Spices and herbs, natural support for mental clarity and memory. Omega-3 source fish, especially oily fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna, are extremely rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 is a nutrient that supports the development of neurological functions and protects brain cells. These fatty acids accelerate nerve conduction, increasing the flexibility of brain cell membranes. It also has the potential to block harmful processes that may occur in the brain by fighting inflammation. Experts usually recommend consuming oily fish at least twice a week. For example, you can choose one of these fish for lunch or dinner. If you do not prefer to consume fish, you can also consider omega-3 supplements or plant sources such as walnuts, flax seeds, nuts such as walnuts and almonds. Walnuts are known for visually resembling the shape of the brain and are indeed an excellent source of nutrients for brain health. Other nuts, such as almonds and hazelnuts, have similar benefits. These nuts contain plenty of healthy fats, proteins, vitamin E, antioxidants, and minerals. Walnuts, in particular, are one of the most prominent among vegetable sources in terms of omega-3 fatty acids decoction. A small handful, about 30 grams of nuts, can be an ideal amount to consume on a daily basis. Since these foods have a high calorie value, it is necessary to pay attention to portion control. Consuming walnuts, almonds, or hazelnuts as a healthy snack between meals helps to balance your blood sugar and support your brain function decently. Fruits and vegetables. One of the sine qua non of the list of foods that are good for the brain is fruits and vegetables, especially vegetables such as spinach, broccoli, carrots, and fruits such as blueberries. Strawberries, blackberries have strong antioxidant effects. Antioxidants minimize the damage caused by free radicals by reducing oxidative stress in cells. In this way, they help keep brain cells healthy. The different colors of fruits and vegetables are an indication that they contain different antioxidants and phytochemicals. For example, red fruits, strawberries, red grapes, are rich in substances such as lycopene and anthocyanins, while green leafy vegetables, spinach, chard, contain lutein and zeaxanthin. Including a variety of colors in your diet allows you to get the different micronutrients that your brain needs. Dark chocolate is one of the supportive foods for a healthy brain. Chocolate types with a high percentage of cocoa, at least 70%, contain powerful antioxidants called flavonoids. These substances help to improve blood flow, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to be transported to the brain. It is important not to overdo it to take advantage of the benefits of dark chocolate. Daily consumption of 20 to 30 grams of dark chocolate provides both a pleasant snack and supports your brain health. Milk or white chocolate should not be preferred because it has a high sugar content. Avocados, rich in healthy fats, have monounsaturated fatty acids, MUFAs, which protect both heart health and brain health. These fatty acids increase the nerve conduction rate by supporting the integrity of brain cell membranes. In addition, avocados are also rich in micronutrients such as vitamin E, vitamin C, and potassium. You can easily use avocado in salads, sandwiches, or smoothies. You can also consume it in the form of guacamole by combining it with ingredients such as lemon, garlic, olive oil to balance its aroma. Due to the high-calorie content, it is worth paying attention to the amount of consumption. Eggs and dairy products. Egg yolks contain a nutrient called choline, which plays an important role in brain health. Choline is used in the production of the neurotransmitter acetylcholine and supports memory and learning processes. It also contains important substances for brain function, such as eggs, B vitamins, and iron. Dairy products, yogurt, kefir, cheese, on the other hand, are among the foods useful for the brain with the vitamin B12 and protein they contain. Vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to cognitive disorders and memory problems. Therefore, it is important to consume dairy products regularly. If you are concerned about cholesterol or cardiovascular health, you can regulate egg consumption by consulting with your doctor. Choosing as low-fat or semi-fat as possible in dairy products can also be beneficial in terms of calorie control. Whole grains. The brain meets its energy needs largely from glucose. But to meet this need, instead of fast-digesting carbohydrates such as refined sugar, it is much healthier to use complex carbohydrates such as whole wheat bread, brown rice, oats. Complex carbohydrates, thanks to the fiber they contain, provide a balanced release of blood sugar, constantly nourish the brain, and prevent sudden energy drops. The benefits of whole grains. It is rich in fiber, keeps you full for a long time. It contains B vitamins and minerals. It balances blood sugar and therefore energy levels in the brain. Starting the day with oatmeal or whole wheat bread can help keep your concentration high throughout the day. Caffeinated drinks and green tea. Caffeine-containing beverages such as coffee and tea have a stimulating effect on the brain. Caffeine temporarily stimulates the nervous system, opening up perceptions and increasing attention. But excessive caffeine consumption, especially late at night, can negatively affect sleep patterns and ultimately lead to disruptions in brain function. Therefore, it is recommended to limit the amount of consumption and stay away from caffeinated drinks after evening hours. In addition to caffeine, green tea contains an amino acid called L-theanine. L-theanine has a calming and relaxing effect, alleviating the possible side effects of caffeine. It is also rich in antioxidants. By consuming 2 to 3 cups of green tea during the day, you can stay awake and support your brain health. Spices and herbs. Turmeric, rosemary, sage, turmeric, curcumin, protects brain cells with its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, may help in the prevention of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Rosemary. There are studies that it strengthens memory and increases concentration. Sage. Contains components that support neurotransmitter activity. It fights free radicals with its antioxidant property. Curious questions. How much water should I drink daily for brain health? Since a large part of the brain consists of water, adequate fluid intake directly affects brain function. Experts recommend that the average adult consume 2 to 2.5 liters of water per day. However, this amount may vary depending on the air temperature, physical activity level, and individual needs. Taking care to drink water without waiting for the feeling of thirst helps to increase your mental and physical performance. Is dark chocolate really good for the brain? Especially dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, 70% and above, can contribute to brain health thanks to antioxidants called flavonoids. These antioxidants improve blood circulation, helping to transport more oxygen and nutrients to the brain. It also positively affects mood by balancing stress hormone levels. However, in order to benefit from its benefits, it is important not to overdo it and consume it in measured portions, such as 20 to 30 grams per day. How often should I consume omega-3 source fish? Oily fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, tuna, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that support brain function. Experts recommend consuming this type of fish at least twice a week. Regular consumption of fish contributes to the improvement of cognitive processes such as memory and concentration. If you do not prefer to eat fish, you can meet this need with vegetable sources such as walnuts, flax seeds, or omega-3 supplements. Which spices are good for brain health? Spices such as turmeric, rosemary, and sage, as well as herbs, support brain health thanks to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The curcumin in turmeric may have a protective effect against neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's. Rosemary and sage, on the other hand, stand out with research that they improve memory and attention processes. By adding these spices to your meals and drinks regularly, you can improve your mental performance. It's time to incorporate these nutrients into your life for a healthy brain. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe and share your favorite food with us in the comments. See you in the new videos. Stay healthy.